that I feel okay whenever I'm doing them. Me, I used to notice back when I was in the school. I used to notice when I was in the school. I used to notice anytime I do assignment and I get a big score, I'm happy. I don't know about you. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Whenever I do my assignment and I notice that I get 9 over 10 or 10 over 10, me, I feel happy. Do you feel happy?
Yes.
You feel happy?
Yes.
Yeah. Whenever I do the class work and I get like 4 over 5, I say yes. Do you feel happy?
Yes.
Do you feel happy?
Yes.
But how do you do? What are the things you need to do to be able to get 9 over 10, 5 over 4, 8 over 10? Hard work, eh?
Hard work.
Hard work in the school. Clap for the both of them. Now, what are the things you need to do to show hard work? What are the things you need to do as hard work? As hard work. What are the example of hard work in the school? Yes? Respectful and honest is part of you. Yes, it's part of hard work, but work like the one that we do with our hands in the school. Reading is part of hard work. Yes. Writing what? Copying, yes, copying class notes is part of hard work. Thank you. Yes. Anybody else? What are you other? Doing homework. Not for the three of them. I love that. Reading, writing class notes, and doing homework, they are examples of hard work. So if you say that, oh, I am hardworking, are you reading? Uncle, I am hardworking, are you copying notes in the class? Uncle, I am hardworking, are you doing homework? What are the other examples of hard work? Class work. Doing class work, that's another one. Uncle, I'm hardworking. I'm very hardworking. Are you doing class work? Yeah, they are telling us about homework. That's a good one.